Hey guys, welcome back. Oh, I had a pimple and I picked it really bad and it's really annoying me. Okay, so I just woke up to a nap because my phone started going crazy and I wonder if everyone can guess what today's video is. I like that my box came like it was assaulted by a rabid animal. Okay, so this is the deluxe mystery box from Jeffree Star. I'm like trying to not show my address here. Okay, first thing I pulled out, ooh, a Jeffree Star straw. Okay, I'm not even gonna lie, I was totally gonna go order some. So that works. Next, we have Skin Frost in the shade Hypothermia. Oh, that's pretty. That is very pretty. I was actually kind of scared I was going to get a color I wouldn't be able to wear. Very, very nice. I'm like trying to open the box without showing y'all my address. All right, next we have the shade Diva. I think I might actually give this to my mom. That is so not a shade I will wear, but it is very pretty. Ooh! Oh, this excites me. Okay, next we have a lip scrub in Peach Popsicle. Oh, smells so good. I'm so excited for this. So exciting. Okay. Sorry. Now we have a pop socket. I'm going to change the one on my phone. Next we have a lip liner in the shade Dominatrix. And it does not want to come out. This is a lip liner, right? Yeah. Ooh. Pretty packaging. I'm not gonna lie, I probably won't use this, but I have it. No way. No way. I got a full-size mannequin. Y'all have no idea how happy that makes me because my go-to from the like volume nudes is mannequin. I'm not even kidding you. Ugh, that just like made my life complete. Y'all have no idea how excited I am for that. Next, we have the shade Poinsettia. Ooh, this is pretty. Oh, that's very pretty. That is a shade I will wear. Oh, okay, so this is the mystery shade. Ooh, that is very pretty. Okay, and last we have a shirt. Okay. So let's talk. I'm not gonna lie, I don't want to sound ungrateful. That highlight though, y'all. That highlight. I don't want to sound ungrateful. I am kind of bummed because the last mystery box came with like palettes, didn't it? Am I wrong? Didn't the last one come with palettes? But at the same time, I got 4 liquid lipsticks, a highlighter. No, they didn't come with shirts. They came with mirrors. That's what I was hoping to get. I wanted a mirror. I remember now. I'm not complaining. I got a lip scrub in the scent that I wanted to. That's what really excites me. A lip liner, a skin frost, 4 liquid lipsticks. Let me put all the shades so you can see them. 4 liquid lipsticks, a straw, which I'm actually about to use right now, and a pop socket, and a shirt. So I'm not gonna lie, I'm very excited. Everything except the Dominatrix lip liner and Diva, which I'm gonna give to my mom. Because Diva's just not a color for me. But I think I'm gonna give this to one of my really good friends. She wears a bunch of deep colors like that. I might just wear it as an eyeliner. You never know with me. And then Diva, I'm gonna give to my mom. Yes. I'm excited. Especially to go use this. And my straw. Because I'm about to go get a cup of coffee. It smells like a peach. Okay, before I go play with this, I will see you guys later. That color is really pretty. This is the mystery shade. I will see you guys later. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned because I do have more fun goodies coming your way.